So I've spent the better part of today working on SEO, working on my websites, working on trying to become discoverable organically. And that's something that I don't feel like a lot of photographers spend a lot of time doing. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, there's a lot of services out there that can help you with the SEO and help you get discovered organically. I'm not just talking about social media, I'm talking about your website. Having all of your services come up when somebody searches photographer in my area or photographer near me is so important. Now, a quick little hack, and it might help, it might not, but using services like Claude or ChatGPT can help you greatly. So if you don't really know what you're doing, try that first. And if not, hire an SEO expert. I have spent probably the past 4 hours working on all 3 of my websites, getting them discoverable, making sure my Google business listing is listed and all the information is correct. And trust me, it's not a once and done thing. You're gonna have to constantly keep this up to date. Working on your keyword searches, working on your metadata, working on your photos. It's a full-time job. And what a lot of photographers miss is this business aspect of it. Yes, you may have the creative side of this down and you're really good at it, but the business side, it takes a lot to get to be really proficient at. One more caveat, if you start using Claude or any of the other ChatGPTs or anything like that, just know that they are starting to implement a watermark into their metadata. So when you copy and paste directly from them, it's going to go ahead and sometimes label that as AI no matter where you post it. And this may hurt your overall listing. It may hurt your ranking in Facebook and Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So be very cautious of it and use it with a little sparsity. Use it as a jumping off point and not the entire recipe. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out and I can try to help you as best I can.